Hello, it's Christian with Onyx. Visualint cameras are our pick for keeping an eye on your property 24/7 when you're home or away. To view your cameras, download the Visualint Line Plus app. Open the app, and you'll see a message about what system is required to use this app. Select Specify Visualint Line Plus server settings. Enter a name for your NVR. It can be anything like home, office, or lake house. Enter the IP address we supply you. Leave the port 9786. Enter the username and password we supply you. Now press the arrow at the top left and then swipe right. If the dot to the right of your system's name is red, press it and it should turn green. Now swipe back to the left to view your cameras. To view recordings, select the film reel at the top of the screen. Press the three dots at the top right of the screen and select Calendar. Select the time and date that you want to review and press the arrow at the top left. You can slide the timeline around to view time around the time you chose and tap the timeline on the time you want to see. You can select a camera by touching it and take a snapshot by pressing the three dots and then selecting Save Image. To get back to the live view, select the monitor icon at the top of the screen. The snapshot that you took will be saved in the app's gallery. To open the gallery, select the gear icon at the top right of the live view screen, then select Gallery. To save or share the snapshot, press the sharing icon. Then select how you want to share it or save the image to your phone's photos. Thanks, and have a great day.